In the peaceful surroundings of Sevagram, the orientation camp at MGIMS offers a special experience for new students. Imagine starting your day with the sound of morning prayers, doing yoga together, and playing sports. But this camp is much more than just daily routines. Students do simple self-help tasks, like washing their own utensils and cleaning their clothes. These activities teach them the dignity of labor, showing that no work is small and that every effort counts. Students also take part in community activities like spinning yarn, Shramdan, and all religion prayer. Here, they learn the values of unity, respect, and working together. They realize that we all belong to one big family, no matter our beliefs. The camp invites respected Gandhians who share their knowledge. These sessions teach students about Gandhian values, empathy, compassion, and service to others, qualities that are important in their journey to becoming doctors. After their daily activities, students come together to prepare for the cultural program. They practice traditional dances, songs, and skits, celebrating India's diverse culture. These rehearsals build teamwork, creativity, and a sense of community, ending in a joyful performance on the evening the day before the valedictory program. Students also attend workshops on communication, stress management, and time management. They learn the importance of caring for patients, not just physically but also emotionally and spiritually. This is where they understand that being a doctor is about more than just treating illness. Throughout the camp, students are introduced to the wider social and political issues around healthcare. They learn about equality, human rights, and the importance of health for everyone. These lessons shape them into doctors who care deeply about society. As night falls, a bell rings at 10 o'clock, signaling students to turn off the lights and rest. This simple routine teaches them discipline, the importance of balance, and the need to recharge for the next day. At first, some students may find the camp challenging, but by the end, they realize it has been a life-changing experience. It helps them adjust to their new environment, builds their confidence, and strengthens their values.
On behalf of my entire batch, I promise to keep this torch ablaze and spread the light of peace, humanity, truth, and love.
In conclusion, the orientation camp at MGIMS, Sevagram, teaches lessons that go beyond textbooks. It helps students grow as individuals and future doctors, instilling values, compassion, and a deep sense of purpose that will guide them throughout their lives.